What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making creamy Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell and select all so you're notified each and every time we upload. Now let's get into it. Now we got a medium-sized white onion. We're gonna just dice this up nice and beautifully. Now we got 5 cloves of garlic. We're gonna give those a nice mince. Now we got our pan heating up on medium-high heat. We're gonna drop some butter in there. And we're gonna add just a little bit of the sun-dried tomato oil. Now we're just gonna fry the chicken up in this butter and oil mixture, and it gives it so, man, it smells so good. It gives it so much flavor. Now we're gonna add our chicken right into the pan. We're gonna go ahead and salt those guys. We're gonna sprinkle on some oregano. Hit it with some garlic powder. Sprinkle on some pepper, black pepper, freshly cracked. We're gonna go ahead and flip those guys. So now you see they got a nice little brown, golden brown color on the back side. Flip those and season this side as well. All right, same seasoning: salt, pepper, oregano, garlic powder. Make sure we evenly season each piece. And I want y'all to pay close attention to the bottom of that pan. Now, as the chicken gets finished, it's at its internal temperature of about 165. As the chicken gets finished, look at the bottom of that pan. Now it's not burnt, that's flavor right there. Now we're gonna add our onions straight into that pan. And they're gonna instantly begin to start browning. We're gonna add our garlic in there. After about 2 to 3 minutes of just letting those saute in the bottom of the pan. And as you can see, bits of the residue from the frying of the chicken and the butter and then the sun-dried tomato oil is at the bottom of the pan. We want that. All right, we're gonna add our oregano, and we're gonna go ahead and drop our sun-dried tomatoes right in there. Now, mind you, we're gonna add more of that oil in there as well. Okay. All you need is a small jar of this. You don't need a whole bunch. And the flavors of the sun-dried tomatoes are ridiculously intense. Amazing flavor. All right, so we're gonna start to get some of that fond from the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same with the chicken stock. This is gonna get all that flavor from the bottom of the pan. Now, while regulating the heat, you ensure that the bottom, those little bits on the bottom don't burn. Okay, because if they do, it's gonna leave a bitter taste. You don't want that. Now we're gonna go ahead and season our sauce. Just a little, not too much. Got our salt. Gonna hit it with the rest of the garlic powder. We're gonna give it a nice mix. Now we're gonna drop in our fresh spinach. Okay, we just rinse this off. Did a 3 rinse on here. Cause I hate when the veggies are gritty, so make sure I rinse the heck out of them. All right. We're gonna wilt these down and they're gonna melt right into the sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream. And this right here is what changes the game. This changed the game right here. So we're gonna let this cook down and let it thicken up. We'll give it a taste, a seasoning. Wasn't to our liking, so we're gonna add a little bit more salt to it. I like to season as I go, because in doing so, you don't over season, man. You know. So we're gonna add our chicken right back into the pan. We're gonna let this simmer down. We're gonna let this go for about another 15 minutes. Now we're gonna go in and add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese in that thing. We're gonna give it a good mix. It's gonna help thicken the sauce as well. So as it simmer down a little bit, you see the sauce is thickened up. It's developing a nice, richer color. You see some of the sun-dried tomato oil is risen to the top. That's what you want. Now I got my freshly cooked pasta over here. We're gonna plate up. Just add that straight down to our beautiful plate. Now we're gonna serve this to the family buffet style, so you know everybody grab what they want. And we're gonna go ahead and spoon that beautiful sauce, the sun-dried tomatoes, that spinach. We're gonna spoon that beautiful, this beautiful concoction over top of that pasta right there, y'all. We're gonna add our chicken right into there. Like this Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes, this thing hit different, y'all. Want to spoon some more of that sauce over top? Now we have a plethora of different pasta dishes. If you click the card up above, it'll take you to a link of our pasta dishes. Okay. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit more Parmesan cheese, and I love freshly Parmesan cheese. I pay for it later, but man, you gotta love it. And there you have it, family. Tuscan, creamy Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. Thank y'all for checking out Discover Flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notification, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, family. Peace.